Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever wondered how your product's sales have performed over a specific time frame? With our Get My Sales Date Range and Get My Sales Period functions, you can easily uncover detailed sales insights tailored to your needs. Whether you're analyzing seasonal trends or monitoring short-term performance, these tools are designed to make your data analysis effortless and accurate. Let's show you how to use these powerful functions in 2 simple ways. Method 1. Use the function directly in a cell. For Get My Sales Date Range, type Get My Sales Date Range, followed by the Amazon Marketplace, the fulfillment type, ASIN, the start date, and the end date in parentheses. For Get My Sales Period, type Get My Sales Period, followed by the Amazon Marketplace, the fulfillment type, ASIN, and your chosen fixed period, such as 30, 60, or 80 days. Hit enter, and just like that, your sales data is ready. Method 2. Use the function builder for a more visual approach. Go to Extensions, Asinzen Insight, Function Builder. Search for Get My Sales Date Range or Get My Sales Period. For a date range, select the cell containing your ASIN and use the drop-down menus to pick your start and end dates from the calendar. For a period, select your preferred time frame, 30, 60, or 80 days, from the drop-down options. Once your selections are made, click the function to run it, and your data will populate instantly. It's that simple. With the Asinzen Google Sheets add-on, you'll always stay ahead of the game. Don't wait. Install the add-on today and unlock the power of data-driven decisions. Click the link below to get started. Your journey to smarter selling begins now.